Hi guys, okay, so today I am going to be trying out the TGIN Miracle RX collection. My hair right now is about a week old, and it was definitely time for me to rewash my hair just because I had been applying gel, I was wearing a wig, it was just old and dirty. So right now I'm just taking down the two plaits that I have in my hair, and I'm just going to be wetting my hair just to kind of prepare it for the shampoo process. I don't have anything in my hair other than the leave-in conditioner that I used to just do my hair the week before. So right now, I'm sorry I didn't show you guys the picture of the shampoo, but right now I'm taking the TGIN RepairX moisturizing shampoo. So their line has black honey and coconut oil in it. It is sulfate free, paraben free, and all of that good stuff. It's supposed to just cleanse hair gently and effectively and all of the good jazz. So yeah, I did like the shampoo. For some reason, I don't know, it was something a bit weird about it. Like, it's not that it didn't lather, because as you can see, it does have a good lather. But I feel like it takes a lot of product. Not a lot, but more than just a little bit, if that makes sense. So yeah, that was the only thing that I had to say about the shampoo. Other than that, I definitely felt like it cleansed my hair. As you can see right there, my hair looks super shiny, super good. My curls are popping, and yeah. I'm showing you my scalp, or at least I'm attempted to show you my scalp. It's kind of difficult, but yeah, so now I'm just going to the next section and doing that same thing and just showing you my scalp to show that it is cleansed. So the next thing that I'm going to go in is with the Miracle Repair X Deep Hydrating Hair Mask, and I'm going to be using that. So on the directions, it tells you that you should leave the hair mask on your hair for at least 10 to 15 minutes if you're using heat, and 35 minutes to an hour if you are not. So I only left mine on there for 10 to 15 minutes. Once again, this one does have black honey, coconut oil, and it's supposed to restore life to dry, damaged, color treated, or color treated hair. So yeah, it doesn't have sulfates, parabens, and all that. So right now I'm just really focusing in that on the ends, and then I'm going to work it all the way up to the rest of my hair. I leave it on there, like I said before, for about 10-15 minutes while I shower and do the rest of my shower routine, and then I rinse it out. But right now my hair looks and feels amazing. It was super soft, it was super easy to comb through and everything like that. So yeah, I'm pretty much just going to leave it on there, rinse it out, and then I'm going to follow up with a spray-in leave-in conditioner. Now they did send over this collection to me. It's not a sponsored video. I just felt like showing you guys and talking about the products. So they do have a leave-in conditioner, but I am going to be using their like the cream on my hair. So instead of doing like two creams on top of each other, I just decided to go in with the shea butter. I think it's like the Manuka honey or something. Leave-in conditioner, just so that I won't have to have all of that on my hair and then it leaves my hair weighed down. So right now I'm just showing you guys my scalp again because it was filthy. Mainly my edges. My edges are like pretty much the thing that gets the dirtiest on my hair. So right now my hair is just pretty much just, I had a t-shirt on it, I took it off. I think it was drying for about almost an hour, which is not good, because I definitely would have preferred to do my hair on like not soaking wet hair, but definitely damp hair, which is why I go in with the spray-in leave-in conditioner, just because it's easier. And I find that if I let my hair dry too soon, like some of my curls come together, then it just gets kind of real tangled. So yeah, I'm going in with that shea butter leave-in conditioner. I think it's the Manuka and honey line. I'm not sure. I just knew that I wanted a spray leave-in conditioner opposed to a cream one, just because, like I said, I am going to go in with the Miracle Repair X Curl Food Daily Moisturizer. So I'm just pretty much spraying that on my hair, combing it out. I am going to put the two simple braids back into my head. This is just something that I like to do because I feel like it's a two-in-one style. I can always apply a wig to my hair, but at the same time, I wear my hair in two braids all the time outside. So right now, like I said, I'm going in with the Miracle Repair X Curl Food. I'm showing you guys, it does have a thick consistency. Let me know if you guys would like to see a braid out tutorial. Like, I was looking at my hair and I'm like, a braid out might look bomb. I can't remember the last time I did one, thumbs up this video if you would like to see one. So yeah, I'm just pretty much applying that to the ends of my hair and then working it all the way up. I don't want to apply a lot of products, but I am going to go in with their oil. It's like a serum, I should say. And it's the Miracle RepairX anti-breakage serum. I'm only applying a little bit of it. I don't go super crazy with it because it definitely can weigh your hair down. So keep that in mind if you're not. But I'm braiding my hair, so but if you're going to be applying it to, like, if you're going to blow out your hair or something like that, just keep that in mind because this will weigh your hair down. So like I said before, you've seen me do braids in my hair before, but I'm just doing 2 simple braids just simply because it's a 2-in-1. It's kind of like a cheat sheet. I feel like I can definitely wear my hair like this, and then if I want to say, ooh, I want to feel a little bit jazzier, I can put a wig on, a middle part wig more specifically, and go out and be about my day. So yeah, I love the way that my hair felt after I did everything and used all of the products. Like I said before, let me know if you guys would like for me to do more of a like a braid out style or something like that on your hair, and on my hair, I should say, on your hair, on my hair, and I can definitely do that. But yeah, that's pretty much the end of it. I'm just gonna braid both sides of my hair. I'm gonna apply. I did apply a little bit of Eco Solid Gel to like the my edges and my part, just so that it can lay down, because like I said, I do wear it out, and I still want it to look put together or whatever. So yeah, I'll leave this up for maybe 2 or 3 days, probably 3 days max, and then if I feel like, yo, it's time for me to wash my hair again, I'll do that. I try to go back to how I was before with my hair. I was washing my hair more than at least twice a week. So I try to stick to that routine because I feel like my hair thrives better that way, opposed to waiting a week or 2 or something like that. So yeah, overall, I would try out the collection. I think it's sold at just regular, you know, stores, Target, Walmart, things like that. So yeah, I love you guys. Let me know other videos that you would like to see. Don't forget to like, comment, thumbs up, and subscribe. Don't forget to leave suggested videos that you like to see down below. And I will talk to you guys soon.
Bye. Still back in time, boy, don't be shy. Memories are running through my mind, and only you could make me feel this way. And don't wait to take my heart away. Don't wanna push it if you don't really feel the same. I guess we're living in the past, boy, what a shame. When you're feeling all alone, and you call me on the phone, and you got me on my knees, and you got me feeling weak, 'cause it's you who makes me high. When I'm with you, I don't try, 'cause it's you that drags me under, and it's you that makes me wonder. You got that other babe, oh, you got that other babe.